Hey there, music lovers!
Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gear. Today, we're diving into the world of live music recording with what could be the best companion for any aspiring videographer or seasoned pro. Introducing the 5K Video Camera Camcorder by ZNIARAKL. This powerhouse of a camera is not just your average recording device. It's a game-changer for capturing the magic of live performances with unparalleled clarity and precision. Let's break down what makes this camera stand out from the crowd. First off, boasting a stunning 5K resolution at 30 frames per second and a whopping 48 megapixels image resolution. This camera ensures every detail of your performance is captured in breathtaking clarity. Whether you're rocking out in a dimly lit venue or under the bright stage lights, the 5K video camera comes equipped with IR night vision, ensuring you can capture crystal clear footage even in low-light conditions. But wait, there's more. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily live-stream your performances directly to your audience, giving them a front-row seat to the action no matter where they are in the world. But what about audio, you ask? Fear not. This camera comes with an external microphone that delivers impeccable sound quality, ensuring every note and lyric is captured with pristine clarity. And let's not forget about stability. With a foldable handheld stabilizer, you can say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to smooth, professional-grade recordings. In conclusion, if you're serious about capturing the magic of live music performances, look no further than the 5K Video Camera Camcorder by ZNIARAKL. With its top-of-the-line features and unmatched performance, it's truly the best video camera for recording live music. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest tech gear. Until next time, happy recording!